guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here with a natural hairstyle and we love those, right? I'm going to be using the Up North natural hair products. I'm sorry, this video was honestly filmed in May, but we're doing better. We're catching up on footages, so you're getting this video. I like to start my hairstyle by taking care of my hair because I find that my styles turn out better that way. Plus, I get to take care of my hair, so it's a win-win scenario. We're going to start by pre-pooing and then shampoo.
Bruh.
If you're not interested in seeing how I take care of my hair or a simple natural hair routine, you can go ahead and skip ahead, girl. No hard feelings. Typically, I like to deep condition my hair, but this time I just opted for this conditioner just because I was trying out the products. And then we'll move on to moisturizing and sealing our hair. The Up North natural hair products are really good. Some products work better than others, to be honest, just because, you know, 4C hair, it's a little picky. For example, the hair milk didn't really do anything for my hair, but, you know, it's okay. You can't win them all. A lot of people ask me how I part my hair. Honestly, I just use 2 mirrors. Sometimes I just sort of, you know, feel my way around, but typically if I want to be precise, I will use 2 mirrors, and sometimes you don't get it right the first time, so you just keep trying. Alright, so for this style, we're going to do a combination of flat twisting and bend to knotting. And if you notice in the crown of my head, I'm actually going to alternate the direction of the twist. That allows me to get a fuller style without doing too much fluffing or separating at the end. So that's a little technique that I've been doing for years. Some more flat twisting, fun. I actually don't mind spending so much time on my hair. I find it quite therapeutic, to be honest. So it was one of those days where I was really taking my time, you know. There we go, we're done. Now we can finally go to bed. So the next morning, all you have to do is unravel your twist and, you know, take out your bent knots. I'm using a little bit of oil to reduce frizzing, you know, and also to take care of these edges. They're a little fragile. One thing I love about flat twisting is that you don't have to do too much separating. So once you take out the twist, the separating is sort of done for you. Of course, you will see that I take my time and really strategically separate some curls, but overall flat twisting is a lot better than, let's say, a twist out or a braid out as far as separating goes. So I tend to lean towards flat twisting a lot, but you know, that's just me. I'm using a pick to really fluff out my hair and getting the shape that I want. And you'll see that I'll use a few bobby pins really to get the Frohawk shape that I'm looking for. And also there's some rebel pieces, you know, there's always those that just don't want to fall in line, and you know, we just gotta beat them into formation. Okay, so let's take care of these edges. I have been experimenting with a few different edge controls just because my edges are they're something else. I actually like this one, although someone told me that Eco Styler gel is very drying, so I don't want to keep using it. All in all, it's a little bit better than some other edge control that I've used in the past. If you have any recommendations for me, let me know in the comments below. And there we go. That's the style. We're looking cute. We love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.